Ako po si Felix Morauda, DT8 operator ng Hongens dito sa Robinson, Novaliches. Araw-araw naman itong nagagamit at may 79 meters kaming nairan as of this week. Ito po ang heads. Capping, 80% working pa naman to. Last na palitan nung heads nito is yung October 2023 last year. Head clean tayo. Punasan ng wiper after head clean. Nozzle check. Ang system namin ay tama lang. Racing tank, nalinis every Friday. Ground wire. Ito ang Muse ink. Ang Muse ink. Film. Powder. Ito naman po ang inventory. Workload, daily. Weekly consumption. Yung nagamit sa magenta. Sa black, cyan, yellow, powder, cleaning solution, white ink, 30 cm film. Ito naman po ang daily maintenance checklist. Maraming salamat po.